Have you ever wondered what to put in your shake and why you're putting it in your shake? Well, in this video, I'm going to kind of go through small little ingredients that you can put in your shake and be healthy. Same old dark leafy greens, same old berries, same old healthy food. Make a real quick shake. Might as well start the new year giving your body good nutrients to help build for growth, not destroy. It's okay. I feel you. You might be doing, some other foods that may not be building your body, but at least you start the new year off knowing I'm going to supply my body with good nutrients. This is the way you start. This is the easiest way, with a green shake, with some berries in it, good quality water in it, maybe some collagen peptides, real quick. Little kale. I keep mine frozen. No big deal. I like to keep it quick, frozen, simple. I like to put it in first so I get all the nutrients in without overpacking the shake before I get all my nutrients in. Look, I want to put like 2 cups of green vegetables in. But why you need the green vegetables in mine? Well, the green vegetables, what they do is we can go into phytonutrients, words like, polyphenols. We don't need to do all that. All these nutrients are doing is supplying your cells in your body with the minerals, those are simple words, minerals and vitamins they need to stay healthy and grow. When you look on certain labels and it says, well, good for your skin. Well, it's good for your skin because it has the minerals and nutrients to help your skin cells to stay healthy. There's no scientific craziness that's needed to know. I don't need to explain what's going on with the amino acids when you have the collagen peptides. What are collagen peptides? Are they good for your health? Well, the research does show that they're able to help your skin cells stay healthy, again, with the minerals and nutrients they possess to give to your body to help it stay young. Okay? So, we're not going to go into it. We're just going to put it in the shake and we're going to just be healthy. It's just keeping it simple. That's all. Look, 1 cup of vegetables, another cup of another type of vegetable, baby kale, then a little half a tablespoon or even a tablespoon of collagen peptides. Collagen peptides, well, like I said, all these foods are just foods that give your cells the nutrients they need to grow. Well, what is it? Acai berry. Some people pronounce it acai berry. Whatever you want to do. I'm not into pronunciation. I'm just into eating nutrients. That's all. Look, this dark color of this berry, now this is not the berry. They obviously processed it a little bit, but they didn't add anything to it. They just broke it down and froze it. They didn't even add anything. So this berry is dark in color. Now, when you're talking about nutrients in berries, this is probably the most nutritional fruit that you can get. Not just this berry, but all berries are probably the best fruit that you can eat because of their dark pigments. Now, polyphenols again, phytonutrients again, all those big words. You don't have to know all that. All you have to know is that those nutrient names are just saying that these fruits or berries or foods have the minerals and vitamins and sometimes the enzymes that your body needs to keep being healthy. That's all you're trying to do. You're just trying to say, hey, is this a healthy food or is this food that's not as healthy? Well, if it's not as healthy, well, probably don't want to eat it. Or if it's not as healthy, maybe I do eat it, but I for sure want to eat a food that's healthy while I'm eating that, or at least have it in the day. Look at these berries. Look again, blueberries. Look at that, dark in color. Like these blueberries are dark in color. Again, the dark color pigments, the dark color is where the nutrients are, is where the minerals are. And the minerals are where your cells, your small cells in your body, need to grow. This is what the small cells in your body needs to grow in these foods. That's why these foods are healthy. I just try to keep it simple again. Minerals, vitamins, healthy. They're all found in these healthy foods. They're not found in the processed food. Then I'll put a little bit of, a little turmeric in there. Same thing. Well, I heard turmeric is good for you, but why is it good? Well, again, turmeric is a dark color, kind of this orangish color. The color is where the nutrients is at. Well, why should you eat it? Well, you should eat it because turmeric gives your body the vitamins and minerals it needs to stay healthy. We can go into all the crazy big words that the scientists use, but that we don't even need that anyway. We just need to eat the foods that our body helps our body grow. That's all. We just need to eat the foods that have the minerals and vitamins that help our body grow. Processed foods don't have these minerals and vitamins because processed foods, they're made up of certain chemicals. You just use the foods that God put on this earth, and He provided you all the minerals and vitamins that you need in these foods to help your little cells in your body, all your bone cells, all your heart cells, all your lung cells, all your digestive cells thrive and grow. Those processed foods help your body destroy those cells, make those cells like deform, and all of a sudden now you have cancer. That's why all these foods are like, oh, well, some of these foods can prevent cancer. Oh, well, some of these foods can prevent heart disease. Oh, well, some of these foods can help your eyesight. Oh, well, some of these foods can help your brain. All that's saying is that these foods provide the minerals, vitamins, and nutrients that your cells need to stay healthy. That's all you're trying to do. You're gonna die. These won't keep you reverse your age. These are just gonna help you stay healthy. We're all gonna die. We're just trying to stay healthy before we die. We're just not trying to be sick while we're still alive. We just want to die healthy. Oh, that's hardcore. That's hardcore. Then I put a little ice in there. I like for mine to be a little cold. And, well, it's just simple ice, right? Simple water. Well, water is not all made the same. So I like to make sure that my water also possesses what? The minerals and vitamins that my cells need to stay healthy and grow. So is that in tap water? They probably strip the minerals and vitamins. Is that in bottled water? They probably strip the minerals and vitamins in bottled water, and they just have processed water. So I like to make sure my water is packed full of potassium, magnesium, calcium, all the minerals and vitamins that help my cells, my small little tiny cells in every part of my body, thrive and grow. That's all we're trying to say. We can go into, well, what is the potassium and the calcium? Well, you can look that up. I'm not here to tell you all that. I'm not the doc. I'm not the scientist. I'm here to keep it simple. If you know that stuff, you probably wouldn't care anyway. You just say, hey, Ahmad, what food should I eat to keep me healthy? This is what it is. This is why they keep you healthy. Simple. It's not hard. They keep the cells in your body from deteriorating, from getting damaged early on. They keep them healthier longer. How do they do that? They provide the minerals and vitamins and nutrients that your cells use to stay healthy and grow. That's all we need to know, right? Keeping it simple. I'm trying to keep it simple for you. Again, water I use, it's normally the crazy water. So when you look on this nutrition label right here, you can kind of see you got the calcium, magnesium, sulfate, all these other nutrients that really it don't really matter what the nutrients are called, right? It's just, are you getting those nutrients in abundance? Again, in abundance is like, are you making sure that these are the main things that you're eating, not the processed foods? I want to pack as much of these nutrients in my body as I can, right? I don't want to just be like, well, I ate my one salad today and now I can eat my burgers. No. You're trying to pack as much of these nutritious foods as possible and limit the processed foods, because those processed foods don't have the minerals and vitamins that help your cells grow. But these food have all the minerals and vitamins that help your cells grow. That's why processed foods are not as good as non-processed foods. Okay, well, keeping it simple. Keeping it simple. Not trying to say that you don't know these things. I'm just trying to clarify in but simple way. I do like to have a little sweetener in there. So I'm not gonna go with processed sweetener. I'm gonna go with a little bit of maple syrup. Now, maple syrup has some advantages. Well, what are the advantages? What are the benefits? Well, again, maple syrup has more minerals and vitamins than processed sugars or made up sugars, because it's just from a natural source, a maple tree. It's still sugar though, so you don't want to just be consuming maple sugar. All right, let's see what this looks like and tastes like. I mean, it looks dark like we want it to. Dark, we want that. The darker the color, the more minerals. The darker the pigment, the more nutrients. It looks dark. Good. Looks dark. Looks creamy like I like it. I like mine a little bit watery, a little consistent, a little smooth. I don't like it thick. I like to be able to drink it through a straw. I like to keep it cool. A little Yeti. Pours consistent, nice and smooth. Sometimes you get those chunks in it. I do not like that. Let's taste it. Tastes sweet. Tastes like it got some berries in it. Tastes like it has a little bit of chocolate in it. Tastes like it has a lot of nutrients in it though. You know what I'm saying? See, tastes like my body's going like this. I need more nutrients. Hold up, body, hold up. I can't drink that fast. You gotta wait. I can't drink, but body's like, I don't care. Hold up, body, I can't drink that fast. It's too cold to get a brain freeze. Body's like, I don't care. Okay, stop, body, stop. I know, I'm gonna give it to you little bit by little bit. I can't drink that fast. That's what my body's saying. I have to hold my body up from taking all the nutrients in, because it just feels so good to get all the nutrients. So you might have to fight your body with that, but that's no big deal. From there, if you like what you just saw, leave a comment, and I might try to put all these things in the description below. I might try to put all these things in there. Yeah. Nutritious shakes give your body nutrients.